Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert footer in Excel on every page. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to insert the footer. At first, go to the insert menu, select the header and footer option. Now we can see here our sheet by one page. Now I am select the add footer option, then write my footer text, then select the text, click and drag on our mouse and go back the home menu. Increase the size of footer text. You can add bold, italic or underline, otherwise you can add the text color. Now we can see we insert the footer on every page. Now we want to make the page normal, go to the view menu, select the normal option. Now we want to make sure the footer is added, go to the file menu, select the print option and check the preview. We can see here the footer text. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.